today I'm going to talk about the easiest way to start dropshipping. Now, dropshipping has changed massively over the years. Back when I started dropshipping, it was extremely difficult to get started. However, with more and more tools available, it's never been more easier to start dropshipping. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about the easiest way that you can start dropshipping, which can easily make you well over 6 figures a year. So make sure you watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to break it down into easy steps that you can follow. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to get started on your dropshipping business. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Now, before you start dropshipping, the number one thing that you need to do is find your winning product. Now, there are so many ways to find your winning product. You can use TikTok, you can use Facebook, you can use Google Trends. However, the tool that I'm actually going to mention in this video, which I recommend you guys to use as well, is called Sell the Trend. Now, Sell the Trend is the easiest and most affordable way to start dropshipping today. And I've used Sell the Trend quite a lot on some of my recent dropshipping stores. It's an amazing app, which is basically an all-in-one. And I've used Sell the Trend to help me find my winning products too. Now, let me list some benefits of using this tool. They have AI-powered winning products discovery in 80+ niches. You can find viral video ads on Facebook and TikTok. And the AI also allows you to write product descriptions. It helps you find suppliers. You can also find marketing content. And what's amazing is that you get short delivery times because they have local shipping from USA, European, and other international countries. And another amazing tool which I really like is the fact that they have an ad spy tool built in. Not only that, it has a niche spy tool, a video ads creator, a Facebook audience builder, and so much more. So let me show you how this tool actually works. So once you sign up using my link in the description below, this is what you'll see. So you've got all these different sections over here. So if we click on Nexus AI products, over here you'll find products that the AI has selected. Now, these products have high interest and low competition. So with these products, you can easily make a lot of money. Now, you've then got this one over here, hand-picked winners. Now, these products are expertly selected and added over here because these products have huge potential. And these products are selected by Sammy and Anis, who basically use Sell the Trend to find top products and put each one through a rigorous 9-point vetting system before it's added to the 7-figure stores. Now, you've then got the ad finders over here. Now, this basically helps you find top performing ads. So you can see over here, you can search by weekly winners, you can search by monthly best, high engagement, drop shipping, Valentine's Day, and that's obviously Facebook. You can then click over here where it says TikTok, and with TikTok you've got the same options over here as well. And yeah, you can see how well the ads have performed, how many views it's got, the comments, the country, all of that kind of stuff. So this is fantastic in regards to finding ads that actually work. Now, you've then got over here spy tools. Now, what's amazing about spy tools is that you can enter any Shopify website and it will tell you how much they're making. So let me show you how this works. So for example, we've got this store over here. Now, if we copy the URL of that store and paste it over here, now it will show you all the information. So you can see over here, it gets over 100,000 monthly traffic. They make around $187,500 monthly revenue. They spend around $446 a month on other apps. The average product price at $45.83. And they get 2,500 monthly orders. And not only that, you can see their Facebook ads. You can find them on TikTok, find them on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, the lot. You've got a little graph here, and it shows you their marketing channels and their monthly orders and which products are selling the best, as well as what apps they're using for their store. So honestly, this is fantastic. This shows you a full breakdown on top performing dropshipping stores. Now, you can also click over here where it says marketplaces, and basically this allows you to find your winning products by using AliExpress. You can also use Amazon, and you can also use CJ Dropshipping. And what's amazing is that you can also search by high orders, daily rises, all of these kind of filters that you can see over here. You can search it by those filters. And another fantastic thing that they have is this create a store option, and you can instantly create a store because with Sell the Trend you get Sell Shop included for no extra cost. So honestly, amazing website. It's an all-in-one. It has everything that you ever need. Now, you probably think this is expensive and it costs a lot. Well, let me break it down and tell you exactly how much this costs, right? So Sell the Trend includes a Shopify store, it includes a winning product finder, it includes complete store automation tool, it includes a customer reviews app, it includes a currency converter app, it includes an upsell app, and so much more. Now, usually from experience, all of this comes to around $160 per month. However, Sell the Trend goes for only $50 a month, and I would highly recommend to use this tool. So if you're serious about your dropshipping journey, make sure you sign up to Sell the Trend by clicking my link in the description. Also, guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Now, once you find your winning product by using Sell the Trend, you then need to create your store. Now, when it comes to creating your store, you've got to make sure it's simple. You don't want to overcomplicate it. You don't want to make it too fancy. You don't want to make it too information based. You want to make it simple and easy for the customer to just navigate. And now, when creating your website, it's also good to add some GIFs. They just make the overall website look good, looks more professional, and it actually helps conversions quite a lot. Now, this is an example store that I would highly recommend. As you can see, it's very simple, straight to the point. it looks good, it's visually appealing, and as we looked at earlier, this store is easily converting. So again, when it comes to creating your store, you just got to make it simple and straight to the point. Add some gifts, add some upsells, add some reviews. This just makes your store look a lot more professional. Now, another thing that helps that would really work in 2025 is by creating a brand around your product. For example, I was selling a cloud pillow on one of my stores. Now, rather than just coming up with a generic name for the store and a generic name for the product, I called the store Dream Cloud and I named the product Dream Cloud Pillow. And I created a logo which made it feel branded. Now, branded stores are going to do really well in 2025, with trust being a huge factor, and also stores that look more professional are usually branded stores. And I wouldn't normally recommend to go for a general store. I'd always recommend to go for a one product store. Now, once you've got your winning product and you've created your store, the final thing is getting traffic onto your store. Now, you can do this through ads, you can do this through organic. However, I would recommend to do ads as they are more scalable, and you can either use Facebook or TikTok. I'd highly recommend to use TikTok. However, Facebook is also a very good platform to use as well. Now, when you're creating your ads, the ad sets have to be good, the videos have to be on point, and you have to attract attention. Now, a really good website to use to get conversions is Viral Ecom Adz. Now, Viral Ecom Adz will create viral videos for your ad sets, and honestly, they're amazing as well. So if you do want to check them out, make sure you click my link in the description. If you are creating these ads yourself and you are struggling with them, well, as I mentioned earlier, if you use Sell the Trend, you can find ad sets that are working for other people. That way you can replicate the ads and make it better. And that's pretty much all you've got to do. You then just got to put some money into those ads and you'll see the sales come through. Now guys, I'm not trying to make out drop shipping is easy, and I'm not trying to make out that anyone can do drop shipping straight away and make 6 figures or 5 figures. Drop shipping, like any other business, takes time. So do bear that in mind when you are starting drop shipping, that it's not going to be easy, it's not going to be fast, it's not going to be quick. But with what I've told you today, this is the easiest way to start drop shipping. And if you follow these 3 simple steps, you can eventually start making some good money. Now guys, I've also got a mentorship program where I help you scale to 10K a month. So if that's something you're interested in, you can either DM me on Instagram, or you can click the link below and book a call with me. We'll then jump on a call and I'll see if we're a good fit to work together. Now, I have made over $11,000 drop shipping. So if you do want to watch that video, make sure you click the video that you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.